Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a business dissolution agreement with LegalZoom, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the LegalZoom website. Click on the business section from the home page. Select business dissolution from the options available. You will be directed to a page that outlines the dissolution process. Read through the information provided to understand the requirements. Click the Get Started button to initiate your business dissolution agreement. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, select the type of business entity you wish to dissolve. Enter the business name and any required information to locate your entity. Follow the prompts to confirm that you are authorized to dissolve the business. Proceed to fill out the necessary details about your business dissolution. Provide information regarding any outstanding debts or obligations your business may have. Indicate how remaining assets should be handled after dissolution. Review the specific state requirements for business dissolution. LegalZoom will provide tailored information based on your state. Continue to complete any additional questions or forms required for your dissolution. Once your information is complete, review all provided details carefully. Look for any options to add additional services or documents, if necessary. Submit your application for the business dissolution agreement. Make the payment for the service provided by LegalZoom. Check your email for confirmation and any further instructions. LegalZoom will then prepare your business dissolution agreement. You will receive your documents in a timely manner for your review. Once received, ensure that all information is accurate. Sign the agreement as required by your state laws. File the dissolution agreement with your state authorities if necessary. Keep a copy of the signed agreement for your records. Monitor your email for any follow-up notifications from LegalZoom. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.